There is a threat in your area. I repeat, there is a threat in your area. It's recommended to stay in a shelter or in your house. This threat is known as an ellipse walker. An ellipse walker is a cryptid known for stalking people. Once a person sees that they are stalking them, it kills the victim. It doesn't stalk you while in a house or shelter. They mostly appear at night. They can't stalk you while in your house or shelter. It's recommended not to go outside. They appear at 3 a.m. We recommended not to go outside. This entity has an unknown backstory and stalks people. It makes a weird noise when it's about to stalk you. When you hear it, run as fast as possible and go to a building that's nearby. If there is no building, stay there and close your eyes and fall down. That will make the ellipse walker think that you died and got bad. It will make a weird high-pitched scream and walk away.
Welcome to BBC News. A mysterious entity was discovered. It's called the ellipse walker. This entity is so dangerous when it stalks people. Stay away from this entity and stay in your house.
Warning, warning. Do not turn off your devices. This entity is dangerous and scary. It has red glowing eyes, meaning that it's attacking. The red stripes is the blood from the people that it attacked. The slime it has makes it more powerful and stronger. The backstory of this entity is unknown and unclear. This entity roams the following countries: America, Mexico, Italy, Ivory Coast,